He used one free AI tool to make $300 in 24 hours. Here's how. This 22-year-old made $300 in one day using just one AI tool. He lost his job and had no backup plan and only $14 left in his account. But he wasn't ready to quit, so he searched online for ways to earn money. That's when he found this text-to-video AI generator. He used ChatGPT to write a 30-second script. Then he used CapCut's AI video maker to turn it into a short reel, and he uploaded it on Fiverr as a service. 3 hours later, he got his first order. Then 3 more orders came in. $5, $15, $50 in a single day. He made $300, and here's the best part. He never touched a camera, he never edited a frame. One AI tool did everything for him. You don't need skills, you need smart tools, and you need to hustle. This is the AI Hustle.